Welcome to the Vector Garden. Here's a quick tip for your festive season holiday card made in the last minute. Actually, this tip is about blends and about transparency, and of course it will work when it's not the season. So, you've already drawn that green tree and now you want to have some lights around it, and the quickest way to do so is prepare the light ornament, which has some transparency effect applied, so it has Gaussian blur applied. And in order to distribute it around the tree, we are going to use a blend. So this will be the blend spine. I've already drawn that path just using the pencil tool. And we need a copy of this one, so I'm just dragging it using the Alt key. And now you select those two and you select that blend spine. That blend spine needs to be an open path and it needs to have no fill and no stroke applied. And then you can go to Object, Blend, Make. And then what's happening? That is not great. So all these parts of the stars are hidden. So what is that? And there are squares. So let's take a look and go to View using CPU. And you see, there it is. What's going on here? And let's go back to the GPU. And it's gone again. So what's causing it is something else. Let's go to Window Transparency and let's check this out. And you see, this is a knockout group. A knockout group causes this. There's transparency in this, the Gaussian blur makes it, and the square is caused by a setting in the document raster effect setting. So we're going to add this around the object in order to make some space for the blurring. This is all correct. Sometimes this even needs to be set up higher in order to not cut off those effects. But then the knockout group kicks in, which has reasons to be there, because when using blends for illustrating kind of gradients, this is the correct thing to do. But in this case, when we use the blend to distribute objects, we cannot have it. So let's uncheck it and you see everything is looking nice. And the only thing you need to do is adjust the blend steps. So we're going to double click that blend tool in order to get to the options. And there you can turn on specified steps and set up whatever you like. So this is how to solve the weird knocking out in blends when you have transparency as well.